Hello guys, in this video I'll explain what to do with cabin coins and where to use them. By this point, you'll probably have a couple of cabin coins and be wondering where they are used. After you defeat the first boss around the power plant section, you'll meet an NPC who introduces the cabin stamp club, which works like a bingo card. Here's how it works. You can place your cabin coins into any available slot on the card except for the red ones. Those red slots are locked and tied to special combat areas found in different zones. These locked areas are optional fights that can be a bit challenging, so make sure you are properly equipped before entering. To unlock them, you'll need red keys. You can either get these keys from the bingo card itself or find them while exploring the world. Once you unlock a red sector and clear all the enemies inside, that red slot on your bingo card gets completed. Filling up the card rewards you with a blackout reward, which is usually an outfit. As for getting more cabin coins, you'll start earning them more easily once training unlocks. Training simulations are one of the main ways to farm coins later in the game. Until then, explore carefully and complete small side tasks, as some of them rewards coins as well. So for now, just keep progressing through the game and you'll soon unlock more ways to use your cabin coins effectively. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.